They're all in line, ready for a start. They're off in the Longines Just a Game. And a Raving Beauty comes out well in company with Lull and Proctor's Ledge, and Lull to the front, opening up to lead by 2. Proctor's Ledge is running in second position. And now being passed on the outside by La Coronel and a Raving Beauty. Then Cambodia on the inside on leave. They're followed by Dream Dancing. Off Limits is last and 9 lengths off of Lull, who leads the way in the initial stages here through a 23.34 quarter. Prompted along by La Coronel, who's 3/4 of a length off of her. And then it's a Raving Beauty on the outside of Proctor's Ledge together just ahead of On Leave and Cambodia. They're being followed by Dream Dancing, who's 8 lengths from the front and leading only Off Limits as they head for the far turn. So it is Lull in front. Lull, the leader, through a 46.37 half mile. La Coronel continues to pursue her. 3 lengths ahead of the others. A Raving Beauty is next. Then Proctor's Ledge on the inside, followed by On Leave. Cambodia's after that. Off Limits, yet to rally, still at the back of the field with 9 lengths to make up and Lull to catch. And they're into the stretch, and it's Lull off the turn in front. Cambodia closing fast on the outside. A Raving Beauty. Now a Raving Beauty moves up alongside of Lull. Cambodia continues to gain. Proctor's Ledge is on the inside. Off Limits is closing down the center of the course, and then it's On Leave. A Raving Beauty has the lead close to home. It's a Raving Beauty from Proctor's Ledge. A Raving Beauty wins it. Proctor's Ledge was second, and then came Lull and Off Limits in a final time of 1 minute 32.14 seconds.